Hey there, Erin here, and I've got something super special to show you. Style So Me finally has a studio. Come on in. Okay, so we're coming into the reception area where, you guessed it, patterns. This is where we will be keeping our pattern inventory. And as you can see, we've got some empty space down here for two reasons. One, our patterns are selling, they're going fast, and we've got two new patterns coming in very, very soon. The Anna and Malolo pattern. So if you aren't following us on Instagram, then you may have missed it, but they're going to be stocked here, and I'm telling you, they're already going fast. So this is our area where we're going to be storing those and doing packing and shipping. So mind you, we just moved in about a month ago. This is not beautiful yet, but it is functional, and that's all that matters. So come on with me, I want to show you my office. Okay, so again, it ain't pretty, but it's here. And I finally have an office. You guys, from working, starting Style So Me in 2014, I went from my living room floor to a small extra room to a living room to another living room, and now that I've got a special announcement for you in just a second, I have an office space. So now I have my own office to get stuff done. Okay, so let me show you the rest of the studio. I almost slipped up here. Alright, so as we move through the hallway, this is just a storage area where we store the incoming patterns that are coming in. Got a little kitchenette here, refreshments and whatnot. So this is the room that I'm most excited about. This is the room that is going to be our photo studio. I was so excited to have a dedicated space because shooting content with Texas weather, it can be super cold one day or super hot, and the photographer that I work with unfortunately is almost an hour away, so I just really wanted to have a space that we can shoot quickly and have beautiful photography for you. So again, little bare bones right now, we're just getting started. So we've got box legs, tripods, and if you've been seeing some photos on Instagram, or you've seen our new product photography for the Anna and Malolo blouse, then this is kind of the setup that we have. And then we just kind of move around the room as the natural light permits. Now, we're going to go into the production room where all of the sewing magic happens. I know that's what you want to see, so come on. So now I am introducing you to the room where all the magic happens. This is a production side of the house for Style So Me, and I want to introduce you to two special people.
Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Joey, and I am the assistant fashion designer here at Style So Me. Right now, I'm working on a cool new pattern we're going to release very soon for a special client. A little bit about me: I've been in the industry for about 7 years, and I have great experience in pattern making and basically doing drafts from scratch. So I'm so grateful to be part of the team, and I can't wait to show you guys some new stuff we're working on. Let me show you to our other cool, amazing teammate, Danielle.
Hi, I'm Danielle Waldron. You can also call me Danny, and I'm the assistant fashion designer here at Style So Me. I came from a strong background in the bridal industry, but I've been sewing pretty much my entire life. So I'm excited to share with you guys new skills and tricks to make your sewing easier and efficient. I will also be helping with some of the styling and putting fabrics together with our sweet patterns that are super stylish and that we're excited to share with you. Right now, I was just working on the Anna dress for a sew-along video that will soon be available to you.
So you guys, I'm super excited to finally announce that I've got a team in-house to make Style So Me patterns better. I was really focused on increasing the quality and increasing the amount of patterns that we have coming out, and so I needed to really get some talent in-house to make that happen. And as you have already met Danny and Joey, you will be seeing a lot more from them very, very soon. You're going to see blog posts about style, how to match your fabrics and make a really stylish and appropriate choice for your patterns. Danielle is wonderful at making things beautiful and helping you maximize your makes. I've been talking about that a lot on Instagram, hashtag maximize your makes, trademark me, even though you can't trademark hashtags or whatever. And Joey is like a fitting ninja. He loves helping get the right fit. So we are going to be the dream team for you. And I wanted to just introduce you to them before you see them very, very soon on the blog and on YouTube. And you like, who the heck is that? They mine, y'all, okay? So welcome again to our studio, and we can't wait to see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.